Great. So we're so happy. We have a special guest here, Tammie. And so Tammie, tell us what's been going on in your world.
Well, this is the first time in probably 25 years that I've actually had a full set of top teeth.
Oh my.
That do not
Two
come
and a
out.
half decades.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
My first implant was I was pregnant with my first son.
That wasn't us.
No. Right, no.
And either way.
No, right. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And then, it went a little while and something wasn't right with it and they ended up getting it out, and then I kind of stayed away from dentists for a while, and then I met another dentist on my daughter after my daughter went to school.
Yeah.
So I started seeing her, and she referred me to the implant doctor.
Yeah.
And then the implant doctor gave me the other doctor.
Who did the teeth?
Who did the, right.
Because sometimes they tell you from office to office. Yeah.
Yeah. And I must have had more than that. I'm just not sure how.
Through the years.
Yes. And each time I had one done, the pain with them was worse.
Oh my God.
It would get worse.
And you have to go back for more.
Right. And it's just, I got exhausted with it finally.
Mentally, physically, emotionally?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. And then the ones that I did have that led me to you were starting to, gray.
Yeah.
They were starting to thin out or gray, so it was really noticeable to me.
Right.
And my husband.
Yeah.
And and this is the first time I've been able to kiss my husband in 25 years with all my teeth.
No wonder he was smiling.
I know, right?
Yeah. And wait, honey, what's different?
Right. And he even said it on the third day.
Yeah.
He was like, I can't believe you're not in more pain than you are. I'm like, it's not really, I am in pain, but I'm not panicked.
Right.
It's such a good experience.
Wow.
Compared to
what you've had done in the past.
Yes,
it's
definitely.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And think about the time. Sure, the money was important, but just the mental drain. Of time after time, and not in a good way.
No, and it got more expensive as it went too, right? Because then the first tooth came out, and then this somehow it infected this tooth, so this tooth has to come out, and it started
like
going.
A domino.
Right.
And did you ever think that, what the hell? Don't they know what's going on?
I started to.
Yeah.
I did. I was really frustrated because that time that happened, I was supposed to leave for a trip. We were going to Denver.
Yeah.
And I told him I needed to have teeth by this date.
Yeah.
And I didn't end up having them.
So you had to go with that?
I had to go with the old thing, the old one I had that didn't really fit in my mouth.
Oh my gosh.
So that made it difficult to go out to dinner.
Right, and be around people.
Right.
And here you're trying to do everything you can, following the instructions, being a good girl, understanding what needs to be done, doing everything you can.
Yes.
Wow.
So, it's been a very, very good experience considering, what I've been through previously.
So speaking about my team, you came to us through a referral.
Yes.
Thank you, triathlon team. Ron, way to go, Doc.
Yes.
And so your first experience with us, tell us, what was that like?
Well, I was scared.
And it's only been a couple of weeks.
It has been. It's only been, really. When I first walked in the office, I was scared to death. Because I just thought, this is going to be another hack job, blah, blah, blah. In my head, I'm thinking all my worst
fears.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you guys were all smiling, and you knew who I was when I walked in, so I kind of calmed down a little bit. Thought, maybe this isn't going to be bad. Remember, this is Dr. Bruce referring him.
Yeah.
He's not going to put me with someone bad.
Right.
So my brain was going back and forth, and you guys have just been great ever since. So yeah,
that's
all of
wonderful.
you.
Yeah, and so we really try to help patients because we understand. I mean, what you've gone through is just incredible as far as time after time.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of our patients are in the same shoes. They come to us from, things that happened in Turkey, in Mexico, across the country. And we try to empathize as much as possible,
Right.
and help people along their journey. And it's just wonderful to see.
Yeah, you guys helped me really, really fast.
Yeah.
And everything you promised has happened.
Oh my gosh, mark that down.
Everything I promised has happened. So
Yeah,
I total trust
yeah.
in you guys now. Total trust.
Awesome, awesome.
Definitely.
So what are you most looking forward to?
Oh, I'm most looking forward to tearing into a steak.
And it's been how long?
Oh, it's been
Long time.
It's been a while. Before I would eat the steak, but I had to be careful and I will still be careful. I don't mean like I'm gonna pick it up, but
on that bone.
I'm gonna get the biggest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
what.
your friends and family, they
Yes.
see you now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only been 2.5 weeks, so
Right.
it's a little bit different. But what's there? They notice a change,
Oh
obviously.
yeah. My kids noticed a change. They were very concerned with the swelling at first. It's like you never had swelling before. I'm like, yes, I did. It just wasn't this much. You got to remember. Usually it's only 1 or 2 teeth on this side.
Yeah.
I mean,
This is full mouth. Yeah.
How many teeth did he take out? He didn't just take out one, guys.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Yeah.
And then they noticed it was going down. And
Right. We get so lucky sometimes.
Yeah.
So 2 pterygoid implants, 2 tilted, 2 up front. Even where there was really minimal bone, we were able to help place the implants. And what was the surgery like? Do you remember much about that at all?
No. I woke up and you guys said, make sure you do the gauze.
Yeah.
And I do remember telling me about the tea bag that night too, but I forgot about it until the next day.
Yeah.
And then when I came back for the checkup, you guys did, and I used the tea bag and boom, gone.
Yeah. It's amazing with the robotic assisted placement.
Yes.
More precision, minimally invasive, more accurate. It's unbelievable having all the technology, but knowing how to apply it in each case.
Yes.
And you're living proof.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys should. I can only imagine, but definitely get another one of those robotic things.
One for each hand.
Yeah. Right. Definitely.
Yeah. Well, that's great. So happy to help you. It's one of our joys to be able to help you along your way, give you back what you've been missing for over 25 years.
Yeah.
That's tremendous.
So,
well, thanks so much.
Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome.
You have given me, my social life is going to be a lot more exciting now because I can smile,
and feel great.
I won't be off in a corner somewhere or
hiding.
No, right. So I can smile and I'll be able to eat well, and thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.
It's been a long time.
Awesome. Thank you.